The stock market and real estate are not trendsetters anymore. The world of creativity and uniqueness found a way to the digital market through the most famed token called NFT. Investors and collectors are going crazy on this as millions and billions are being invested and sold. So, what is this NFT and how to create one? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll explain creating an NFT. Before we proceed, if you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel and click on the bell icon for regular updates. Understand what an NFT is. Are you new to the field of NFT? Wondering what all the hype is about? NFTs and non-fungible tokens are digital tokens that are stored on a blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies, each NFT is unique and can be distinguished from other digital files through ownership. You can sell an NFT as an image, audio, or video. A link containing the metadata of the file can be saved, along with the token that serves as proof of ownership. Technically, you can sell any digital file as an NFT, but when you use a marketplace's easy minting tools, you'll be limited to the formats they support. Don't just sell for the hype. Many people out there want to create an NFT just for the hype. You need to understand that you don't just create or design artwork and sell it as an NFT. To create one, you need to make your digital asset into a token and link it through Ethereum blockchain. This process is called minting, and you'll need to pay a certain amount of fees during minting. These fees are called gas fees. The amount of gas fees required will differ from each minting. When you place your bid, there are chances that your transaction can get blocked or incomplete, and the gas fees won't be paid back. So before selling, make sure that you're ready to take the risk. Once all your ideas and decisions are fixed, it's time to learn more about creating, minting, selling, and managing your NFT business. Step 1. Connect your wallet. To start with, the very first step you need to take is to link your crypto wallet with an NFT marketplace. OpenSea is the most popular marketplace for NFT business. Go to the official site of OpenSea and click the Create button or wallet icon in the top right corner. Now, depending on the wallet you own and the device you're using, a mobile or a desktop, you'll either be asked to connect your wallet through QR code scanning or download your wallet to your computer. Once the wallet is connected, you need to complete your profile and specify which crypto you'll be accepting as payment. Number 2. Create your very first NFT. Now, you need to create your first item. Click on the Create button from the homepage of the marketplace, and from there, you'll have to upload your digital file, and you'll need to name your NFT. If you are on OpenSea, you'll be asked to write a description of your work, your websites, and the blockchain you will mint with. After filling all the requirements, you must click on Complete and proceed. Step number 3. Keep your wallet funded. As mentioned before, minting requires fees, known as gas fees. To complete your first trade, you need to purchase some cryptocurrency that you plan on using through a crypto trading site, and then deposit the currency into your wallet. Once the wallet is updated, you can transfer the crypto to your NFT marketplace. When it comes to OpenSea, it allows you to purchase crypto directly from your profile through a credit card transaction. Now, if you're unsure how much crypto is required to buy, it'll be automatically calculated and guided in the next step. Step 4. Your NFT is out for sale. Now your NFT is minted and is on sale in the open market. There will be a sell option at the top of the page. Click on that and mention the details of your sale. Choose the price and type of sale or the bidding range for your NFT. On OpenSea, you'll also be asked to specify the passive monetization payouts of your work over time. In some marketplaces, this will be optional. Here, you'll also be informed about selling fees or service fees. Generally, these fees will be a certain percentage of your NFT selling price. As the final procedure, click on Complete Listing, and then you'll be instructed to pay the calculated gas fees. Once the gas fee is paid and all final terms are approved, your NFT will be listed and available for sale. These are the basic steps you'll need to follow while creating and selling your NFT. When your NFT is up for sale, the future of your business completely depends on how you manage it. You need to engage with your potential buyers, engage with different communities through Discord or other platforms, and promote your NFT. Create more NFTs and be up to date and active in the market. Who knows, maybe you'll be an NFT billionaire in the future. With that, we've come to the end of this video. Are you planning on starting and building your NFT business? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, if you find this useful, don't forget to like and share this video.